everyone. Thank you for coming. I'd like to give you the details of the operation that we had nitong nakaraang December 1. What prompted the Commandant, Admiral Ronnie Gaban, to deploy 4411 or BRP Cape Engaño. And of course, one of the largest vessels on the Coast Guard is BRP Ventura Aquino, or MRV 9702, is the report of the fisherman na bumalik sa Quezon, Palawan noong November 28. At ibinigay niya sa amin ang copy ng video kung saan a PLA Navy helicopter with tail number 65 ay nakita niyo naman sa video, hinaharas ang ating mga mines ng Pilipino sa Luzon Reef. We also provided photos showing the PLA Navy helicopter hovering at a very low level of flight, no? Na kung saan nahaharas sa mga mines ng Pilipino. Because of that, the Commandant, Admiral Gaban, has decided to deploy our 2 Coast Guard vessels to ensure the safety and security of our Filipino fishermen. It was on November 30 that the Philippine Coast Guard vessels departed Buliluyan Port in Puerto Princesa. At on our way from Buliluyan to Luzon Reef, we experienced dangerous maneuver on the part of the Chinese Coast Guard vessel 5203 around 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. noong gabi ng November 30 when we passed through the vicinity of Escoda.